The perspective tool in CorelDRAW is a powerful feature that allows users to manipulate the perspective of objects, text, or images within their designs. By selecting the perspective tool from the toolbar, users can easily access this functionality. Once activated, users can click on any of the corner handles of the selected object and drag them to distort the perspective of the object. This manipulation creates the illusion of depth and dimensionality, making it a valuable tool for various design tasks. For example, graphic designers often use the perspective tool to create realistic mock-ups of product packaging, architectural renderings, or interior designs. By adjusting the perspective of elements within their designs, designers can simulate how these objects would appear in three-dimensional space, providing clients with a more accurate representation of the final product. Additionally, the perspective tool can be used creatively to add visual interest and dynamism to illustrations, logos, and other graphic elements. Furthermore, the perspective tool offers users precise control over the perspective transformation through interactive on-screen controls and fine-tuning options. This allows users to achieve the desired perspective effect with accuracy and ease. Moreover, the perspective tool is non-destructive, meaning that users can always readjust or remove the perspective effect even after it has been applied, providing flexibility throughout the design process. Overall, the perspective tool in CorelDRAW is an essential feature for designers seeking to enhance the realism and visual impact of their creations. Its intuitive interface, precise controls, and versatility make it a valuable asset for a wide range of design projects, from advertising and marketing materials to digital illustrations and architectural drawings.